Hi YouTubers, I'm Al Gracian from elbowpepper.com. As winter sets in, we order our seeds and make plans for the new growing season. Starting seedlings indoors will give you a great head start, extending your harvest window. A good light source ensures strong, vigorous seedlings. But that's only half the story. What about the root system? What container options work best for seed starting? Well, it's not about finding the best one. It's about finding the one that works for you. Let's look at 10 seed starting systems or container options. Maybe a couple of these will fit your situation. Are you working on a small scale? These 3 container options are the most simplistic. Number 1, you could simply buy some individual retail pots. They're easy to handle and move around as needed. Number 2, reclaimed nursery pots. Why buy pots if you can simply reuse ones from plants you've purchased in the past? Are you just starting out with no money in your budget? Number 3, reclaimed food containers. Whether it's a yogurt container or a drinking cup, just add some drainage holes and you're good to go. Number 4, hydroponic net cups. These come in various sizes and are able to be used again and again. Start your hydroponic plants under a small grow light, then transfer them to their final grow bed. But the open sides allow for easy air pruning in soil-based planting as well. Number 5, cow, peat, or coir biodegradable pots. The idea is that the entire pot can be placed right into the soil. It's supposed to break down, allowing roots to grow through. But your results might vary. Unless I see roots poking through, I prefer to peel away the pot at planting time. Number 6, seedling flats or cell pack trays. Commercial growers like this method because it's great for a large volume of seedlings. With a sturdy tray and lots of open space, you can move around a bunch of plants quickly. But watch out for wet spots that could lead to damping off. Number 7, Peat Jiffy pallets. This is an all-in-one solution that eliminates the need for messy potting mix. Once the discs are hydrated, they become an air pruning pot that is easy to plant. However, the mesh walls can restrict and interfere with roots. It's safest to cut it away before planting. As with peat pots, these pellets are consumable, so you'll be buying more every year. Number 8, container rayed leach tubes. This is a more pricey investment. Designed for growing tree saplings, containers allow you to fit lots of plants into a small space, while accommodating a deep root zone. The top growth can start to get interlocked though, so I prefer to use these for onions, but anything with a long taproot may be worth consideration. Number 9, root pruning air pot containers. They are used by high-end nurseries for growing large, healthy perennials, but this small air pot container is great for seedlings. Standard pots can cause roots to circle, resulting in a root-bound plant, but air pots train the roots to grow outward. Then they terminate at the holes on the side. This is true air pruning for both the sides and lower roots. Number 10, soil blocker cubes. They'll cost you a little bit to get started, but after that, you'll never need to mess with pots again. The smallest size cubes let you fit lots of seedlings into a tiny space. Then, the cubes can be upgraded as plants grow. These air prune on the sides, but they're little blocks of mud, good for larger outdoor operations. Excellent candidates for watering with a capillary watering mat. Did I say 10? Here's a bonus. Self-watering sub-irrigated containers. As plants grow larger, they can be grown in their own self-contained water system. You can leave for a week and they'll still be healthy when you get back. Many possibilities. Some support large plant sizes. Some are good for tighter plant density. Are you on a budget? Or are you looking to invest? Do you want simple and easy? Or are you trying to avoid consumables? This is just a quick overview. For a more in-depth discussion, visit elbowpepper.com. Check the video description for links as needed. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all of your support on my channel, and as always, happy gardening.